Thanks for joining me in this video today. If your business involves creating beautiful chocolates and you're a chocolate artisan, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website for your business using the multi-sites platform. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't quite familiar with the multi-site service yet. Multi-sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top very quickly and I'm going to search for my markets. Let's go ahead and do that. Chocolate Artisan. There's also an option for a chocolate shop, but for this video today, I'm going to be focusing on the Artisan option. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let multi site work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free to use and they look absolutely delicious, might I add. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images that you want to showcase on your websites of the beautiful chocolates you're creating. Maybe make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do that. It's super simple. So today that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be making my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. Now, you don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. You can do this all yourself. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to check this box, tick it off to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my street address. That's if I have one, that is. If you don't have one, maybe you're strictly mobile, you can leave that off. The great thing about the physical location displayed on your website, when your customers click on it, when your website is live, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's go ahead and put in our various social media platforms our business is active on. The icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom, so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's head on over to update our logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your business, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of free, great options on the website. Logo has now been uploaded. Let's go ahead and click on this little pencil and slightly crop it just to fit a little bit better into that section. You can as well decorate it, add frames, you can add filters, zoom in, rotate if necessary. Let's go ahead and re-upload my cropped logo. Awesome. Once it's been uploaded, you can make it bigger and smaller if need be. Excellent. Let's move along. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your chocolate business. Maybe these colors don't quite go with your packaging, your branding, your business cards, and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket in the bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There are quite a lot to choose from. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Let's go ahead and save and move on and head over to the next section. I'm now going to go ahead and search the photo library for an image suitable for this section. If you've got your own images, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, you can use one from the photo library. There are hundreds to choose from and they're all completely free to use. Mighty sites will automatically search for chocolate artisan, but you can play around with the keywords a little bit, search for various terms and just see what pops up. Lots of tasty looking pictures over here, quite spoiled for choice actually. Not quite sure which ones to select. I would like to select them all. So let me look at one or two more pages and we can change it at a later stage if need be. Awesome. Let me have a look at one more page. I can change it at a later stage if I need to. Let's try this one. That looks awesome. Let's head on over to update content. Now over here you can change the title, subtitle, this writing content, pre-written content for you over here. Button currently says contact us today. That's perfectly okay. You can change it if need to. Click on choose link. Now you can link to another website. Maybe you offer an online store and offer online ordering system. You can put the URL over here. Otherwise, link to another part of your website, your Mighty Sites website, like the lead form at the bottom, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Otherwise, click to call directions, click to email and action. Otherwise, a great option is to upload a PDF file, maybe of your current promotions or offers in PDF format, maybe a catalog brochure of the different products you offer. Over here, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make the necessary changes. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into this industry. Maybe it's a family run business. What kind of chocolate treats you produce? Does it include dark, milk, and white chocolate? What kind of products do you use? High quality ingredients? Do you maybe also offer vegan and dairy free chocolate options? Put a little bit more details here of how your business came to be, a little bit of the background. Your customers would love to hear your story. That looks absolutely delicious, leaving that exactly the way it is. Now, over here is the product services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details, different products or services you offer. Do you offer chocolate turtles, truffles, bonbons, hot chocolate, vegan options, slabs, gift baskets? Go ahead and pop all the details under the product services section. We've now made our way to the lead form at the bottom. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you. All they need to do is put their contact details in, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email account that you have a lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our channel. If you don't have a domain yet, maybe you recently launched your business, congratulations. With a professional looking website, it's always important to have a custom domain. You can purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. All you need to do is click on I want a new domain. Over here, we're in your Mighty dashboard. Under the leads section is where you can find the leads coming in from that form that I've just shown you at the bottom of your Mighty Site website. Hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your chocolate business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.